Hello, our student. Hello, everybody. Today we will talk about the first circuit we can do. That mean the first step to make the simple circuit or the first simple circuit. Now, this law name power law P equal V multiply I. Now, this is in DC current only, not for AC current yet. That now we want to start by the LED light emitter diode. This LED, this we are electronic engineer. This is device like the fan in our house. That means the fan already engineering at the factory that calculate all things to fan work by the city current 220 volt. But now we are engineers, electronic engineers. Now we want to design our circuit. Now we engineer, we want to calculate the values and the volt, ampere and resistor, how to this circuit work. Now we have the LED that means light emitter diode. Okay, this device, all device now, all electronic component that has a data sheet. That data sheet, this explain the what is the voltage work, what is the ampere amount value work. Okay, now this red LED, we know the voltage bar equal V equal 2 volt DC. Now I ampere equal 20 milliampere. Okay, now we have the VN 50 volt. This is our power supply. That means we want to make sample circuit to let us do this LED on. Okay, now in that we know we want the drop voltage from 5 volt DC to DC. That means we want to use one circuit in series. That means you must to go back to old videos and see all our video and contained by in this video. Now we must to start by the do or create new circuit in serial circuit. Now let's start to draw. Now we have, this is power supply, positive, negative, DC 5 volt, 5 volts. Now this is the resistor here, R, but I don't know what this value. Now here is the diode, LED light emitter diode. Now this is the symbol, electrical symbol. This is anode, this is cathode. We cannot connect the diode at the reverse. This is forward. reverse cannot work. Now complete the circuit. Now we have 5 volt. We know we need here 2 volt DC. Okay, now we want to know what the R value by the Kirchhoff law. 5 volt equal VR plus V diode 2 volt. Now that means VR equal 3 volt DC. Okay, that's good. Now from the Ohm laws, we know V equal I multiply R, but R equal V divide I. We know R equal, now V equal 3, that we need. I equal 2 because here 1 I, this is in series circuit. I need this 20 milliampere, that means 20 multiply 10 milliampere to ampere, now equal 150 ohm. Now let us to make the experiment. Now in this LED we have 2 pins, one short and one tall. Tall is anode and short is cathode. That means here the positive, here the negative. Now this is supply, this is our resistor. Here the positive, here the tall pin we post. Here is negative or 0 volt, and here connect. Now the circuit work. Now I tell you our student something. After this video we want to start by the Arduino. When we use Arduino, we have more than 100 or 200 or 300 sensors and input device, output device. We can to calculate all the things, but this is the basic circuit. Now you now know how to calculate that. Please see our last videos and before you see next videos. Save our laws at separate paper in your bucket, because when we want to do any circuit you want to use this laws. This is engineering's calculator. Thank you for all. Thank you for all. Don't forget to do subscribe for our channels. Thank you.